Hi, I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday, and I'm going to show you a really fun and creative way to make your own aromatherapy massage oil. Now, the first step is finding your base oil. Now, they're referred to as base oils or carrier oils, and there are so many different types out there. You can use jojoba oil, grapeseed, sunflower, and even apricot kernel. And most of the times, these are the ones that are chosen because of their lighter texture. Okay, so now you have your oil. You want to take 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce bottle. Take a 1 ounce bottle of oil, and you have your little essential oil here. You're going to add between 6 drops of this to this, or 12 drops of this to this. And this will give you a very gentle 1% with the 6 drops or 2% dilution with the 12 drops. Now, just remember, if you have sensitive skin, you really want to try it out on yourself. Start with a lower dilution. Start with the 1% dilution of 6 drops to 1 ounce before you increase to 2%. You want to make sure that it's not going to irritate your skin. Worst case scenario, if it irritates your skin, which they're very gentle, but if you have very sensitive skin, it may. It'll go away in a couple hours. Just stop using it or decrease the dilution. So it's very, very easy to make your own